morning. Day 2 begins right now. Oh, good morning. How's Ty hanging in there without the use of his cell phone?
Oh, it's so good.
He's actually doing pretty good. I'm impressed by this guy. I'm happy with 2 things. Bathroom in the morning.
Ticket number 2. Hey, dude. You don't do that.
And a little bit of breakfast. That's all I need in life. So this is the delicious red ant souffle I'm going to try. I'm going to skip all the little eggs. Oh, I think those white things are the egg. Like, I don't have a problem eating the ants, but I do have a problem eating the eggs.
Yeah. It was the same when I had the frog. I just tasted egg.
Oh, buddy. Too many little eggs in my egg. Something I learned in cowboy movies is you always want to check the insides of your boots by make sure there's no scorpions in there, you know? Oh, big dragonfly. Is that a dragonfly or a wasp? This guy's awesome. He gets scared easy. Should keep the camera rolling on him. Is that a wasp? Okay, look at this bug that was right by our bedside. Like, what the hell is that thing? Luckily, we had these mosquito nets. Last night they found a spider, and our guide literally just ate it. He eats everything.
This is a class 5-star hotel. Very nice.
Apparently, very similar to the village Danny was born. On Cortez Island.
Actually born in Vancouver.
Oh, my bad. This is not a factual documentary.
We're so spoiled. They're like making lunch for us. They make breakfast for us. Nicest people ever, right, guys? All right, lunch is served for later today. All right, we got our lunch boxes ready to go, and we're just gonna get ready for this hike. Day 2 begins now. I think I'd be more popular in high school if I packed this for lunch every day.
I'd still steal your lunch.
Bye bye. Thank you. I hate goodbyes. I always hated goodbyes. It's not a goodbye, it's a see you later.
I don't think we'll ever see these people.
This is that part where I film you guys saying goodbye, and then I catch up to you later.
Bye. Bye, Leo. Buttercup. Bye, Buttercup. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Be careful.
Be careful, why? Holy shit. How do you eat it? Whole thing eat? Full thing? No seed? Ew. Why would anyone eat that?
Water.
Yes, water. Oh, buddy, that is not appealing at all. Ugh.
You see?
So this is good boy, it just lights right away.
That's crazy.
Same like gasoline.
That's so cool.
It burns so quickly.
And it's like alive, it's on the tree.
You start the fire. You just light it in the burn.
It's amazing.
Same gasoline. They burn first, make like oil. You see oil?
Oh, wow.
You see oil.
It's crying.
Yeah.
Can we use this oil for fuel for car?
Yeah, you see oil?
Maybe we can take it to Canada?
Okay.
Oh shit. Wow, eh? I've never seen a tree bleed oil. Bamboo is very functional. They're making chopsticks for us. Alright, perfect.
Easy, chopstick.
Best chopstick ever. Alright, let's give this a try. Oh yeah.
When I'm used to staying home,
Delicious.
drawn tight to trees.
Wow. Tastes so good after a long day of hiking. Oh my god, it's so good. The nice thing about this organic packaging is you can just throw it down the river when you're done. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
It's obvious I need time for the distance to crawl. It's obvious.
Alright, it's time for elephant ride. Anything is better than walking.
Figures when I'm
Oh my
dancing, close cheek to cheek.
Hold on, dude.
You want my banana?
Don't give him a banana, let him walk first. Stop swinging here.
I'm curious to learn.
Oh my god.
The banana?
Oh, he's running.
Oh,
he's gonna get away.
Confines of the scale. You're an angel of the last resort.
One more, he said.
No more.
Just keep feeding him, it's the fuel. It's the fuel to keep going.
Smacking me.
We're on an elephant.
I'm on an elephant. It's going fast, yeah?
This is Ty's worst nightmare, slow motion.
Yeah, look. Nowhere.
Ah!
Oh, watch it.
It's obvious.
What's up?
So,
We're just on an elephant riding through the jungles of Thailand, and we kind of don't want to do it anymore. We just want to go back to our hotel.
Ow! And he keeps smacking me with his ears. Then every few minutes he puts his nose and sprays me with some shit. It's quite gay. Okay, where are you going, dude? Should I put this on his eye? What's the elephant eye? That's an elephant.
Elephant cam.
Elephant cam. Holy Okay, take it.
Give him
He
the
just
banana.
squirted on me. Guys, oh my god. It's this gross ass freaking squirt.
Oh, look at that. It's his poo-poo.
These elephants are so slow. I don't get how the Persians could have won any wars on these things. Oh god damn it! It got me again. We need to go to bed soon. Look, he's doing the merman again. Ty keeps doing this weird move. It's like a mermaid move.
It's so good.
I don't know why.
It's a stretch, you jerk.
He thinks he's a merman.